Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing Love Teddy Bear to celebrate Valentine's. So let's get started. To draw this sweet bear, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide, so say about right here, and draw another circle. There. So now with my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes since I have enough space. So let's put in two small circles for highlights and then a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. But if you're drawing too small, you can just put in one circle for a highlight. And same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then in between the eyes, let's go ahead and say about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And then round it off on the sides and connect it for a little bear nose. And I'll just put in a little highlight at the top and shade everything else in. There. And then let's come right to the center area. And we're going to draw a line coming down. Just a small little line. And maybe just a simple smile underneath. A big curve and cap it off. There. And then we need to kind of surround it with this ovalish shape. So let's come right here where this eye is. And I'm just going to go over my nose to draw this curve that comes down and hits the other side. And then we're just going to go around. If you're not comfortable drawing this shape, you can definitely just color it a lighter color when you're coloring in this area instead of drawing this shape. Okay, there. So I got this big kind of ovalish shape right here. Then from there we need to draw the head. So I'm going to come, let's see here. Let's just use the center of our eye approximately, and I'm going to go out nice and wide. I'm going to say about right here. Same thing on the other side. Approximately about right here. So that just gives me enough space so that we can go up. And I'm going to draw this mochi shape head, so it's going to be a little bit narrower at the top. Let's just keep going. Go right there towards the center. And bring it down to the other side. There. And then we're going to come down about here, widen out a little bit. And start to bring it in. Okay, so now before we finish this part up, let's come back and draw the ears. So in this area right here, I'm just going to go ahead about right here. Just pop out this big curve. And then inside. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this across so it's approximately in the same area. There. Okay, so then now I have my ears in. Then from there, in this area right here, it's a little bit tricky, but just let's bring this in a little bit more. Hopefully I can help you with this. We're going to find the center. So about right here, and then come down. Just imagining this line was going all the way through center, and so let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And using that as my guide, I'm going to draw my heart. So I'm going to draw a little heart. We don't want it too big because then you would have to make the hands really big. So these two curves and bring it down towards the center to create this heart right here. So then from there we can come back to the center and we're going to draw the hands. So go up with a curve, then come down right about here where it's going to meet and hit the hand. So same thing over here. Go up, come down, and connect. Then the bottom of the hand right here. Just going to bring this up. So it's using the hands to create a heart. So that's the whole point here. And then come down for the arm part. So then let's come back to say about right here and draw in the body. So let's keep going. Just going to make this little bear body and bring it in. And connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so then let's bring this down more. About right there, and then let's draw this little part here for the tummy. So just kind of following your outside. There. Okay, then from there, let's draw some feet. So about right here, I'm just going to stick out this curve. And you come in here, two little curves, and same thing over here. There. Okay, so then that is pretty much it. You can give it some cheeks when you're coloring, but if you want to make it a girl bear, I thought it'd be really cute since this part is empty. We could put in a bow. So about right here. That's if you want to make it a girl. So, and I'll go ahead and erase that when I'm coloring. But right about here, put in a curve. Same thing here. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this love bear to celebrate Valentine's, or just celebrate love. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.